Hi, this is Sean at Groundmark Land Surveying, and I'm getting my template set up in Carlson Survey 2021. And so this will just be an update on getting started with the template. So I needed to find a template. And so what I did was I went to the City of Seattle CAD resources, and they've got a whole bunch of stuff here for Civil 3D 2020, but I downloaded some of these files, this reference drawing, the blocks, the line types, the fonts, the plotter, and then I have a few more I need to do, but the point of it is here, they've got a nice code list. So I've started editing this code list, and it even came with a cool field card. And really, I mean, these codes, they're not bad. I was surprised. Here's the codes on the left, and then I'm not sure, I haven't figured out quite what this is. These are lines or, so here's the code list. And then this has got the field code here, and then the layer, and it even tells me what block we're going to use. And then I've come here along the side here, and I've changed any that I want. And then I've also created some categories here that we're going to use when we're setting up the field to finish. So here's the layers, and then in the in CAD, we brought in this drawing here that's got all the different line types. And what layers, what layer they go to. I'm gonna have to get used to this green. I don't know about the green, but one thing that it didn't have in here was the center line and the monument line. So I was going to quickly just show how those were made. So from SDOT, we got this line type file. And so here's the line type definitions. And so anything with the star is just the notes. And then some of these are more complicated here. So it says what font, I guess, they want. So anyway, a center line ended up being a Unicode character. And so basically, I had to find out what the Unicode was. I think I have it here. So the Unicode is U plus 2104. And then we're just going to use the standard, which is a font that, the simplex font, which includes this center line. And then these are all controlling things. This is like the space before, I think. The alignment, the X, the Y, and the space afterwards. And so I just played around with that and got the settings okay. And then you just go in here to the line type manager, and you can load that file in there. And you can see those are just the previews. But anyway, and I don't know why my preview is so bad on this. It's like I need a larger font here. But anyway, you can believe me because you see it here, it shows center line. So then I got the basically the CTB. So it's got the CAD standard. So, we can just, we could just window some of this, maybe plot to like a bigger sheet. And you can see that's not zoomed in correctly, but here's at the correct scale. Everything's sort of light, maybe. So yeah, so then I started building my my logo and my so I got that is XREF, external reference, and I built this just in MText. And so my idea here is that, if it's not a record of survey, I can just turn all that off and it'll just look like this. And then when it is a record of survey, I just turn that back on. And then we have the recording certificate there. So anyways, it's a start. Next phase here is I'm going to have to start entering in the codes from the code list. And I'm going to cut this down. Basically, I'm going to come up with my main stuff that I want to start with, and I'll get all the code set up for that, for just the startup stuff. And then once I've got all that stuff set up, then I can maybe just add stuff as I need it. So that's the plan, at least. All right, that was it. Have a good one.